Alright, me and Mike's birthday today, so we thought we'd just do a present swap on camera for you. Right everyone, yeah, I've already done a video, so you've already seen a video from me. I'll probably just leave this on yours as I've got one. Yeah. And I'll just save people watch yours. If I seem a bit off, it's because I've got a terrible headache today, so I might not see myself a bit in this video. But we're going to swap presents. This is our birthday today, so. I was watching some of my, did you watch my video earlier? Did you see it? I briefly saw it. One of them, I think last year's video, I was hanging like fuck. Because I look like, then you look ill. Right, I've got these for you, so. I like matching wrapping paper. Pure coincidence. Right, they're yours. 3, 4 for 1. Thank you very much. Right. See what we got then. Oh, one of them, be careful. Right. That one, be careful opening it. That won't bother with a knife. I think you're as bad as me at making things you can't open them. Yeah, so this morning I woke up with a terrible headache and I've just had it all day long. Oh nice. Tactical pen, pencil, sorry. Might do a close up later. I've got a nice flashlight. Which has never been opened. Good torches they are. What's that? It's got the blade there, etc. Nice torch from Mike. Oh, they're nice. Yeah. How'd you turn it on? You don't have to take the back off, and they have a little bit of plastic in there to stop them, you know, stop an accident going off. That part? Yeah. No, the other. Oh yeah, that one anyway. Then. Right, now I might leave it in there. But they got a lot of functions there. It's got turbo, high, medium, low, moon, strobe. Nice lockout functions, all shit like that. And what one did you say be careful with? One of them you've got to be careful opening it. That one. That had no covering on it. Alright. That's a nice bit of wood, isn't it? Oh yeah, that's all got little bits. Oh yeah, that's the charger for it, magnetic charger. Yeah, they're good they are. Not a very exciting video today, but well, it's exciting for us. Might not be for you though. I don't know if I gave you one before. No, you know what? I don't even know what it is. What is it? Money. It's a pound coin holder. Oh, I get to keep the pound coin in the top though. Yeah. I haven't got a pound out of it. But I thought you might. Yeah, I don't. But I thought you might be able to put it in a pouch. Oh yeah, nice. Yeah, I know what you mean. Yeah, no, I've never had one of these. So you just put the pound coins in the top there. Yeah. And then carry on putting them in. How does that hold then? Oh, quite a few. I'm not sure precisely how many, but that's quite good. I've never actually even seen one of them. But that, yeah, what you said in a pouch, yeah, that'd be perfect because it's a container to hold it all in place. Did I show you the other things I got? No. So Z0Z got me that. Oh, alright, yeah. Did you see that? This little dagger. Man, they wouldn't even be able to see it. That's a Todd Cutler. Oh, that's dagger. Nice, yeah. Liam from does it go a certain way? Yeah, like that? Yeah. Paid for me to buy a riot helmet, you know I wanted one of them. That's nice. And Stu from Weapon Survival got me some arrows and a cookery blade. And then
Oh, and then Sailor sure give me some Patreon money.
Alright, nice. And just put the handle on himself.
Yeah, he said he was going to do it, but he never got round to it. There's one there as well.
Oh yeah.
And he said, you know, he'd rather me have it, to be honest. Weird handle, he said. So it had like a weird rubber handle on it. You know, like a crap handle.
Yeah.
Decent blade.
Show them a close-up of what I got to you. I've probably seen them before anyway.
Oh yeah, I'll show you. So that's one of the knives. Does this do an autofocus if I cover you up?
You got to kind of put your body in front.
Yeah. There we are. So there's that one. That one. So that's the 3 knives. The tactical pencil, which I didn't got either. And the pound coin holder. Yeah, cheers.
I thought the good thing about them is you could do a video about them because they're your, you know, your type of thing.
Well, you know, I'll definitely do videos on this.
Yeah, so like I said, if it don't seem very exciting videos because I don't feel very well, in all honesty.
Yeah, this was sort of to replace their live stream, really, wasn't it? We was going to try and do a live stream, but you know,
I don't feel up to it at the minute, but
you might as well put something on. Don't
yeah. Right, well anyway, a very, very quick video, just showing us our presents over. So I'm very happy with that torch.
Yeah, thank you for the...
Mike got some knives,
man. Yeah,
coin holder and a tactical pencil. Alright, cheers for watching, see you later.
See you later.